Welcome back, y'all. So this is the same day, Monday, January 26th. This is my second trade. Would you call it revenge trading? Maybe. But if we do hit it, we are making 800 on the day. This is a combine, so I'm trying to pass the combine pretty fast. I'm not worried about this one. So I'll let it go wherever it wants to go. You know, we did making SMT right here. I believe it's a 5 minute SMT. As of right now, I enter ES instead of NQ, which I don't think it was the best idea because NQ has these equal lows, but ES is where I am right now, and that's where we are. So we'll see if we make it all down to this low, and if we take some profit today. I don't know how long this video will last because it's already 11, but we're here. If we lose the combine. If we go all the way to this high, we are losing the combine, and that's it. I guess you gotta pay for another combine and try to pass it. I don't know, fast or slow, however you want to do it. This is my combine. I earned the money to pay for it. Am I confident on the trade? On ES, pretty sure, yeah. Why did I enter? It's not a good reason, but I merely enter because of this 1 minute break structure with the 5 minute equilibrium right here. Right now we are having some resistance right here, but it is what it is. We lose, we lose. We win, we win. But I'm here to show you all how does it feel. Is this revenge trading? Probably. I didn't wait for enough confluences for me to actually be confident in the trade that I'm taking right now. And that might be why I lose. But like I said, it's my combine. I paid for it and I traded how I want, which is it's not really a good idea. But we do have a 5 minute fair value gap right here, which I am waiting for us to inverse, which does not look like we want to. But if we can inverse that 5 minute, I'm pretty sure we're going down. Still have 2 minutes. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I wanted to go lower, but honestly, I might be pushing my luck with this trade alone, so I don't know if I wanted it to go all the way down here. Plus, I can't go down there because I can only take 1,500 profit on the day, but I lost 1,000 already. So for me to make 1,500 on the day, I would need this to be somewhere around here. I'm gonna leave it there even though I have some. So what is here? This is 2,000. I'll be making 1,000 right here. Um, let's see. $600. Okay, so I will move my stop loss down there, and I will take profits here. So we're starting to limit buy 4 right there. That is if we inverse this 5 minute for belly gap. If we don't with this candle right now, then it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate, and we lose the trade, or we wait until the next candle inverse the 5 minute. But so right now, it just does not look like it wants to go down. Unfortunately, we did not inverse it, but we'll see if this next candle wants to do so. So here I'll be making 1,600, which is 500 on the day. That will be my break-even point. Down here, I gotta make sure that I do not go over my limit. So let's see, 2,562 divided by 5. Let's see. I might just put my TP right here. I might just do that. I think so. Yeah, I think so. I think I'll leave my TP right here for 1 to 2.3 restore war ratio. Even though, let's see, NQ that's moving. It's not looking good. I would like it to go down here, which means that ES will go lower, but we're just waiting, I guess. This, as you can see, it's not moving smoothly, so this might just be a retracement for us to go higher, in which case I should go get out right now, but we're going to hold it and see how we end up the day today. Right now it would be pretty much break even, you know, negative 200 on the day. Not too crazy, not too good. If we do inverse that 5 minute for belly gap, I'm pretty confident that we're going to go down here. If we don't, if in the next 2 minutes we go all the way up here, I might close it for a break even, which is a loss for me on the day, you know. But yep, that's what I think. I got my TP down here. Nothing crazy. It's a 5 minute low, 15 minute low, 30 minute. I'm surprised how Nasdaq does not want to go down. It has the better draws. Look, this 5 minute low and then these equal lows down here. Surprised ES is the one that's moving. Look, we're still respecting that 5 minute right there. But all it takes is one candle. All it takes is one candle to prove that we are going up or to prove that we are going down. That's all it really takes. So we'll see. If we do close above, then I am sorry, I'm closing and I'm losing 1,000 today. If we close under, then I'm gonna hold, because people say that trading is about patience and protecting capital. So me getting out for a break even on this trade would be better than losing all the combine, you know. I know I'm taking this trade right now, but doesn't mean I'm not thinking about what I'm doing. We got about 5 seconds. 5 more seconds and then we'll see what happens. And we did not inverse it. Still, we're just going down. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I might just take my 500 and go home. I want to see what it does with this 1 minute. This 1 minute fair value gap right here. Man, trading is so confusing, man. Do I hold? Do I not hold? Do I take profit? Do I break even? Do I not? Do I save myself to trade another day? Blah 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 blah. It's not fun, man. I want this to be fun, but it's a job, so jobs are not fun. And we are holding. Why? We invest that 1 minute. Um, what's the 1 minute, 1 hour looking like? Look at this thing, bro. Come on, you're telling me you don't want to give me a little piece of the pie? I'm over here fighting everybody for the piece of pie, bro. What is Anki doing, bro? It's just this is a 1 minute high, so I'm not counting it. It's so slow, man. I don't want this video to be an hour long. It might have to be though. Do we go for a break-even trade? Cause it's taking a long time. So, but here's the thing, you wait for so long, and then you get tired, and you close early because you got tired. It's just the trade's been taking too long, and then it starts going in the direction that you want it to go. So should I risk my account on this trade? Should I hold it? Should I just take profit right now so I lose 500 on the day? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a profitable trader. How should I know? Yes, I passed my combine yesterday. But I've passed a few combines before. Have I gotten a payout? No. In all honesty, no, I have not. I've been really close though, but I have not gotten a payout. So I could move my stop loss to break even. That's another option, but get we get stopped out by break even, and then it goes to our full TP. So it's like, do you know what I'm saying here? Right now we're in a consolidation. It could go up, it could go down. Who knows? We've been going up all day. It might as well just go up again. But yeah, I mean, did you guys trade today? How did the day go for y'all? Man, that 5 minute is giving us the biggest fight ever, man. But here's when you start to read price action, right? We came down and we bounce up. We came down, but we bounce up. That's the second try. That's the third try, and we're doing the fourth. So what does this tell you? That the fair value gap, it is actually pretty good. And if we can inverse it, then that means we're going to drop really low. At least that's what I would like it to mean. We'll see. Still have another minute to see whether we inverse it or not. I just need this to fall down here. Somewhere down here. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Follow the little hand. Follow, 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 follow down here. It might not. It might not. Who knows? I don't think so. We got 10 seconds for it to show us something. 3 seconds. I don't know. It opened right here. I don't know if I count that as an inverse. I definitely do not. Look. Man, it's just giving us mixed signals, man. I'm holding this for dear life. I know the video will be long. I know you guys will be bored. I know nobody's going to watch 14 minutes of me just talking to the market and trying to convince it to go down. But I'm wondering the title will be revenge trading. Maybe people like to see revenge trading, even though it's not. It's not. I think you might. I think it's a little bit of reverse. No, revenge trading. We'll see. If we go up to these highs, then I was completely wrong. It does not want to go down, and that's fine. But we're consolidating here. I usually don't use the 30-second, but we will see what happens. 15 minutes. This is probably the longest video I've ever made. I wonder. Let me see the 15-minute. Okay, close down there. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just so confusing. We do have. That's a little tiny 5-minute for Belly gap. Right there. But this is the 5-minute low. That's the gap. As you can see, we didn't inverse the 5-minute for Belly gap. This is the 1-minute equilibrium down here. I wonder, man. I wonder whether we're going to go down or not. I know. I see my number going up. I see my number going up. Pretty good. If we can keep this for the next 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I'll love this thing. Honestly, I will love it. We came to take this low. Nasdaq did as well. Am I praying for it to go down? I don't think so. The trade, it's just been going up, so everyone expects a retracement. Therefore, the market goes up. But I saw the S&T and the 1-minute break structure, 1-minute inverse for Belly gap, and that was pretty much what I needed. I'm glad that ES is the leading index though, because Sankey is not really moving at all. But since we saw, look at that. That's that 5-minute, making sure that we don't inverse it. But we'll see. What was I saying? I wonder if I will ever watch these videos, myself. Okay, that's a nice rejection. That pretty much confirms to me that we will inverse that 5-minute. Yeah, I wonder if I'll see these videos and be like, wow. I'm impressed how I didn't give up on trading. Look how much I suck. But it is what it is. Look, we're pretty down here, 4,000. That will give us 500 on the day. But that's not why we are here. Oh, never mind. That is not what we are here for. We are here for this low. And this low alone. So, but it's tempting, I could click it. I remember one time I was about to get a payout and I could click it and I didn't click it and I lost everything. Have I learned about that? Well, as you all can see, probably not. Why? I was trying to follow my rules, man. You can't blame me for trying to follow my rules, But I was asking for too much, definitely, are you telling me that this is not going to go down here? Okay, I just got scared. I thought I saw some type of high time frame consolidation right here. But it's pretty good. I just needed to go down there. I could close it. And go home happy. And I think I will. I might do it. I will do it right now.
Order filled.
Right here. Let's go, $612 on the day after losing 1,000. So we technically made, what was that? Yeah, 1,600. Oh, look at that! And then it's like 30 seconds. 30 seconds after, and we hit that. We could have made another $400. Well, it is what it is. Thank you all for watching. You can see sometimes revenge trading it's good, you know. You gotta do it. You gotta try it. I think that's going to be the title of my video. You should revenge trade. Alright, thank you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This was not a bad day, but hey, we got it.